Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create a workflow or a workflow chart using Hubspot from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Hubspot account as an administrator. So as you can see, here's what the dashboard looks like, and the idea here is we would want to get access to the workflow or workflow chart builder under automation. So you guys would want to navigate to the top left corner of the screen till you find the tab that says automation, and then you would want to click on the drop down, and from here select workflows. Now the thing about this is when you click on it, it'll show you that the workflow automation or the workflow chart features that are normally accessible through HubSpot come with the paid plan. So if you guys are on a free plan like me, then you wouldn't get access to this. But to actually use their features for workflows, you just want to click on Upgrade to Marketing Hub Professional, like so. It should take you to this page right here where you get to select a plan that comes with support for workflows. So as you can see here, you'd choose, you could go with the Start plan or the Hub Professional plan or the Enterprise plan. Either way, it doesn't really matter. Each plan actually comes with support for workflow. But to show you guys what I mean, here's what it looks like and a couple of different applications for it as well. So here's an example of the interface. So it follows a flowchart where people would first refer to this step right here, and once the conditions are met, they're ready for the next steps, which is this one and so on. So it follows a certain pattern or sequence, I should say. Here's another example, and you get to configure it, assign each task to each department within your company, and so on. Another example right here. There's one for recipes as well, or rather, I should say post-event engagement recipes. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, that's honestly all there is to it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.